Again, listen to the noise from the compressor. This grinding noise. The noise like the piston is grinding, you know. Okay. The discharge pipe is colder than my hand. The suction here is warmer than my hand. Okay, it's about 42. So the compressor started very warm, and now it's getting very slightly hot very quickly. Alright, there's something wrong. The thermostat, when I started to plug in the power, and then it started at 21 degrees. Now it's displaying 22 degrees. Alright, yeah, it's 21 before, now it's 22. So this one working like the heater, not the cooler, not the freezer. Alright, bye mate.